Your kidneys serve as your body's ultimate filter, working nonstop to keep you healthy. However, occasionally they become clogged with garbage, which means that your kidneys need loving care just as much as you do. This is when kidney detoxification can help. The good news is that you don't need to rely on potentially harmful medications to support your kidneys' optimal function when you detoxify them. This improves your kidneys' capacity to eliminate waste and pollutants from your bloodstream. Certain fruits have been shown to successfully detoxify and cleanse your kidneys. This is especially true when you include them in your morning breakfast routine, which will help you get off to a good start. Because of their antioxidant qualities, the top 3 fruits you should consume for breakfast to detox your kidneys are revealed in this eye-opening video. These potent fruits' high mineral content will help to explain why you should eat them for healthy kidney function. By the time this video ends, you'll know a quick and easy way to help your kidneys and general health so that you can start your mornings off strong. So let's get started without further ado. Number 3, berries. Did you know that berries are all excellent kidney cleansing foods? Berries are the best option for a kidney detox that has no negative side effects. They are inexpensive, year-round, and incredibly delicious. Eating them every morning provides your body with the necessary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants for kidney health. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are a great option for maintaining excellent kidney health and a trim waistline because they are high in vitamin C and low in calories. These delicious fruits are also packed with amazing compounds such as antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which are excellent for those with kidney problems, like as urinary tract infections, UTIs. Some bacteria, including the bacterium Escherichia coli or E. coli, can adhere to the walls of your urinary tract like glue, making it simpler for them to develop an infection. But berries are here to help. They have anti-adhesive qualities that prevent bacteria from adhering to surfaces, and they are incredibly high in fiber, which supports a healthy digestive system and prevents constipation, a condition that is linked to UTIs. These incredible fruits also contain polyphenols, which are strong antioxidants that combat infection by scavenging free radicals in the body. These compounds also have anti-inflammatory qualities and prevent the growth of bacteria that cause UTIs. Berries are equally delicious treats appropriate for individuals with kidney disease or CKD receiving hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis, kidney stones, or other treatments. This is because berries are a great food choice for kidneys because they are low in salt, potassium, and phosphorus. Friendly diet fruits high in these minerals can raise the risk of fluid retention and high blood pressure because people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, have trouble getting rid of waste products and excess fluid from their bodies. If you're convinced and want to start reaping the health benefits of berries for breakfast every morning, click here. Start by eating berries raw or adding them to salads, cereal, or angel food cake with whipped cream. However, if you want to improve your berry experience, think about producing some delectable homemade berry juice. Wash your preferred berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, well before putting them in a blender with a little water and blending until smooth. For a zesty touch, squeeze in some lemon juice. Enjoy your freshly squeezed berry juice straight from the glass, or try it sweetened with a little honey or sparkling water. Pomegranates come in second. Pomegranates unquestionably deserve a place on our list of superfoods that support kidney cleansing and detoxification because they are low in calories and fat and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Pomegranates are a great breakfast choice that won't make you feel overweight because they are the ultimate antioxidant. This is true whether you're trying to lose weight or are just trying to keep your body in shape. Pomegranates are a superfruit that contain 3 times the antioxidants found in green tea. This is because they are rich in punicalagin, a potent antioxidant that has been linked to several health advantages, including kidney detoxification. Punicalagin supports the kidneys by lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, which can shield the organs from harm and stop kidney stones from forming. Punicalagin has also been demonstrated to enhance renal function by raising nitric oxide synthesis, which widens blood vessels and enhances blood flow to the kidneys. Pomegranates are also a good source of compounds with anti-inflammatory qualities, such as anthocyanins and ellagic acid. These compounds function by preventing the immune system from producing pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are proteins released during an inflammatory response. This reduces inflammation and shields the kidneys from harm. In a 2014 study, researchers found that pomegranate extract can actually stop the process that leads to kidney stone formation in people prone to those bothersome kidney stones. So pomegranates have you covered when it comes to kidney stones as well. Stones, one of the main causes of kidney stones is calcium oxalate crystals, which can be reduced by eating pomegranates for breakfast. They can also prevent calcium oxalate crystals from clumping together, which lessens their likelihood of sticking together and forming stones. In a similar vein, research has shown that pomegranates can increase the body's synthesis of vasopressin, a hormone that is crucial for preserving the body's water balance and improving the body's ability to reabsorb water from the kidneys into the blood. Increasing the amount of urine produced this procedure aids in pomegranates have a high potassium content, which people with kidney issues may need to restrict. Additionally, pomegranates can interact with certain transplant medications, posing risks for patients who have undergone kidney transplant surgery. These factors combine to make pomegranates suitable for some people but not for everyone else. This is because pomegranates can flush out toxins and calcium oxalate crystals from the kidneys, thereby detoxifying them and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Apart from that, freezing is a good choice if you love pomegranates but can't seem to find them throughout the season. To produce your own pomegranate juice at home, freeze pomegranate seeds whole or as juice in an airtight container. The only ingredients you'll need are a pomegranate and a juicer. Cut the pomegranate in half, then use a spoon to scoop out the seeds. Then place the seeds in the juicer and juice until you have a glass of delicious pomegranate juice. You can drink it plain or add it to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra nutritional boost and flavorful delight. Number 1, lemon. Lemons are that brilliant yellow fruit that frequently gives off the impression of a sunburst, providing a cool, invigorating sensation that quickly soothes and cools the body. Lemons are great for more than just their flavor. They are also small vitamin C powerhouses that help your body absorb calcium, which results in strong bones. For good reason, my friend lemons have become a popular at-home kidney cleansing therapy. Their low calorie and sugar content makes them the perfect refreshing beverage for anyone looking to maintain optimal kidney health without having to worry about gaining weight or experiencing blood sugar spikes. Doctors even advise their sick patients to eat lemons because it's a win-win situation, since they're risk-free and safe, even for people with long-term renal problems. The antioxidants in lemon juice, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, play a significant role in shielding the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Citric acid and flavonoids are some of the reasons you should start your day with lemons to detoxify your kidneys. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells, including the kidneys. Lemon's antioxidants work to neutralize free radicals and lower the risk of damage to the kidneys. Lemons are also known for their anti-inflammatory qualities, which are ascribed to polyphenols like limonene and hesperidin, which further improve the fruit's capacity to protect the kidneys by lowering renal inflammation. This can help shield them from harm and maintain their optimal performance. In fact, consuming lemons on a daily basis can help lower the likelihood of kidney stones developing. Citrate, which is abundant in lemons, has been demonstrated to prevent the production of calcium oxalate. Stones, the most prevalent kind of kidney stone, citrate, prevents the formation of stones in urine by attaching itself to calcium and preventing it from binding with oxalate. Likewise, citrate can raise urine pH, reducing the acidity of the urine, and so less likely to encourage the development of stones. If you have kidney stones, mixing lemon juice with olive oil also helps the stones pass more easily. Making lemon juice is a very easy and common operation. All you need for kidney health is a citrus juicer and a fresh lemon. After giving the lemon a quick wash under cold running water, cut it in half and put it in the juicer with the cut side facing down. Squeeze the lemon gently until all of the juice comes out, and then filter the juice using a fine mesh strainer. After sifting to remove any seeds or pulp, your delicious lemon juice is ready to drink. Just squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of water, smoothie, or any other recipe and enjoy. Lemon zest can also be added to food to improve it and receive the advantages of both the peel and the juice. To add even more flavor and health benefits, sprinkle it over salad dressings, dips, sauces, or desserts. That being said, try to have at least one of these fruity delights every day to give your kidneys the total detoxification they need. But always remember to enjoy in moderation. Overindulging in even healthful meals can occasionally have undesirable side effects. Additionally, if you take any medications, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor to be sure these fruits won't interfere with them. Tell us which kidney detoxifying fruit is your favorite that we covered today. Generally speaking, the best strategy to ensure excellent kidney health still remains to drink enough water every day, as it encourages urine and waste elimination. To achieve this, always aim for 6 to 8 ounce glasses of water daily. In conclusion, incorporating berries, pomegranate, and lemon into your breakfast routine can be an excellent way to detoxify your kidneys and promote overall kidney health. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help to flush out toxins from your body and improve kidney function. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that can protect your kidneys from damage. Lemons are high in citric acid, which may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels and reducing the risk of stone formation. By including these 3 fruits in your breakfast, you not only provide your body with essential nutrients, but also support your kidneys in the detoxification process. So next time you're planning your morning meal, consider adding some berries, pomegranate seeds, or a squeeze of lemon to your plate for a kidney-friendly boost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Angel Solutions for more valuable health tips and advice. Your support helps us continue to spread awareness about the importance of maintaining kidney health through simple dietary choices. Thank you for watching.